Hello, hello, Math 125 students. I am so glad to meet you. My name is Colleen Radke, and I just wanted to do a quick video to make sure that we are all good and we are all up and ready to go with this class. This is Math 125 College Math, and I wanted to draw your attention to some helpful resources. In week one, I'm sorry, not week one, it's right under the introduction and the instructor introduction. You will see this weekly resource link, and this will take you to 3 documents. This one here is for week 1, this one's for week 2, this one is for week 3. What these are live Word documents. And I'm going to open one here. Okay, so when you open it up, what it will do is it will show you 3 columns. Now, the first column here are all topics that you're going to be hitting each week. For the first week, we're going to be looking at 3 different chapters, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3. And basically, this is what kind of your action items are for each chapter. The middle column here will take you to a video tutorial. Okay, so if you need help with lowest common multiple or greatest common factor, you can click on these links and it will take you to a wonderful YouTube video tutorial. If you're looking for more explanations, more examples, more practice problem type stuff, click on this column here and it will take you to a website that will give you more help, information, and examples. Many students found these to be, these live link documents to be very helpful. So I want to draw attention to these. Okay, so that's the first thing to draw your attention to. Okay, so again, that was weekly resource links. Helpful resources, we will use most of these in week 2 and week 3. So don't worry, we're not going to use those right away. Helpful links, these are just 3 of my favorite math websites are Math It's Fun, Purple Math, and Khan Academy. So kind of my 3 go-to websites for math examples. And of course, YouTube is handy if you're searching out videos. Let me know if you need some more videos or tutorials. I can find some for you, or I can make some. Okay? Let's go down here. If we have a Zoom meeting or a Zoom session, I'll put all of our recordings in this link here. For week 1, and actually for every week, it's exactly the same. Every week we'll be covering 3 chapters, okay? And week 1 we'll be covering Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. Each week there are 4 daily quizzes to be done, turned in or completed by the end of the week, okay? So we didn't, if, for example, we didn't get to something, or you didn't get to something on a Monday, you could turn it in on a Tuesday or a Thursday, as long as it comes in by the end of the week. Helpful link right here. Any videos for Chapter 1 will be in Monday, and you can find them here. This is that middle column I was showing you all of the tutorials, the video tutorials, okay? And they are by topic. Alrighty. We have a daily quiz every day. There's 4 of them in a week. Your 4 daily quizzes, you can take as many times as you want to. Please, if you didn't get 100%, try again. Try again. Have a notebook where you're putting all of your answers in so that you're keeping track of them. After you've completed your daily quiz, move to your Chapter 1 practice, non-graded. You may do this 100 times. You may do it as many times as you want to get the right answers, but none of the grades will go against your final grade. None of them will go into a final grade. It's just practice. That's why it's called practice. Now the assignment is different. The assignment takes many of your practice problems and they're put into the assignment, and you will have 3 attempts to complete your assignment. Okay? So each week you're going to have 3 chapters. Okay, so you're going to have 3 chapter assignments to complete. You'll have 4 daily quizzes to complete. And let me go down to Thursday. On Thursday, I open up your test. So on Thursday, I'm going to open up the week 1 test. And that's going to be available for you to complete until Sunday. And then Sunday, the test will close and I'll start grading. Okay? So in general, just as an overview, again, the graded assignments are your quizzes. There will be 4 each week. Your assignment, there will be 3 each week. And an exam, there will be 1 of those. If you are a nursing student, you will not need to complete any discussions. If you are a veterinary student, you will have a couple discussions that you will need to complete each week. This participation grade is not something that you have to worry about. I check to make sure that you have participated each day. Participation includes participating in a discussion forum, participating by completing your assignment, participation by completing the quiz. Participation could be joining a live Zoom session if we have one. So at the end of the week, I put in a week 1 score for you, just based on did you participate each day. Okay, and again, each day you're participating in at least 1 activity. You did a quiz that day, you did an assignment that day, you participated in a discussion that day, or you came to a live Zoom session. Okay, so week 1, week 2, week 3 follow the same grading scheme and grading pattern. If you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you are able to get into Moodle and get started. I'm going to jump in and check in just a couple minutes.